So I just learned recently, actually a couple of minutes ago, that Chat GTP doesn't work with image input as of right now. And even if you get the plus, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that still doesn't work. You still can't just copy and paste on that image in the chat, and then the AI ChatGPT will analyze your image, and that won't work. But I found a solution on Reddit and credited this guy. I think this is the one that has the most knowledge, and he's saying, how do I insert images in ChatGPT? I'll leave the link if you want to read more. But basically, to basically you can simply create, you know, your own API, and that will help you. So that's pretty much because you have more control if you use ChatGPT API, you know. So what you have to do is just register to this GPT-4 API waitlist as an API for developers to build application and services. So I think that's just fantastic. If you ask me, I think that's awesome. That you can use the API, the brain. You can use ChatGPT for your application, your service, but obviously you need more. You need more technical stuff. You need to be more prepared, or you need some skills, pretty good skills. It's not that easy to create your own API waitlist. So yeah, keep that in mind because it's gonna take some time. But yeah, that's the solution. Just join the waitlist, and yeah, I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.